Hello everybody, this is the demo for Project 9 by Group 2 where we have implemented an auctioning app. So whenever a user who is not logged in opens the app, they are going to be asked to enter their email ID and password to log in. So upon successfully logging in into the app, they are going to see the placed bids of the user. One feature is that the user can see the balance of the account and the hold on that account. The balance is like virtual money in that account. So we can also add balance to that account. Let's say we added $10, the money is added, and if you see, the balance was also updated. So now the next feature in our application is that a user can create a new bid to be create a new auction item. So let's say that we post a new auction item saying um, laptop. The bid starts at $10 and the minimum final bid is $20. So the minimum final bid is the amount set by the user, so set by the auctioneer. So let's say that a bid on this item has started to get placed. If the bid reaches $20, then the owner of that item will be notified that the minimum final bid has reached. So let's say the user posted this item. Now our user also has the capability to remove this posted item. So if you click on it, and it will ask you if you want to cancel it. If you say yes, the item will be removed from the list. So for our convenience, let's post the item again, starting at $10, minimum final bid at $20. Now this bid is created by the user. So let's say that now, as you can see, any bidder will be updated about this latest item that is here to bid, and the user using the balance can bid on this item. So there are certain rules for bidding on this item. If there is a current highest bid on an item, we need to have we need to place a bid which is greater than the current highest bid. If there is none, we have to place a bid greater than or equal to the starting bid, and of course we cannot bid any more than we have in our balance. So let's say that we bid at $11. Upon successfully bidding on this application, we'll get a notification saying we are the highest bidders, and you can see this laptop in the highest bidders bid tabs in our application. So let's say we click on laptop. We also upon clicking on it, we have a way to retrieve from that bid. So if we say yes to do you want to give up this bid, if we say yes, the bid will be removed from our list, and the we will no longer be the highest bidder on that item. The previous highest bidder, if available, will be the highest bidder, and they will be notified accordingly. Now let's say that our user again wants to bid on this laptop. So we again bid $11. So we'll get a notification saying that we are the highest bidder. However, I want to show you one more feature of notification that the user gets if the minimum final bid is crossed. So we will again give this bid up. So the user will look for the laptop again, and let's say now we post $21 as our bid. So as you can see, the owner will get a message saying that they are the minimum final bid has reached, and again it will show us that we are the highest bidder on that particular auction. So now the next point is here is to settle the balance, but before settle the account. But before we settle the account, let's have a look at the money in each account. So as you can see, there is a hold of $25 on this account, out of which $21 is for the newly bid item, the bid we have newly placed on this item, and the balance on this is 1481.5. So let's say that our user over here now wants to settle the this bid. So they click on this item and they ask to settle the bid. Upon clicking on settle bid, both the seller and the buyer will get a notification saying that the item is sold. And now if you check their balance, the buyer's balance is deducted by the buyer's hold is deducted by the $21, and the seller's balance was credited by $21. So the sale was successfully made. Now let's say that two users are bidding on the same item. So our app on the right is the highest bidder on a wireless mouse. So let's say that our bidder on the left hand side tries to bid on this wireless mouse, and they have to enter a bid greater than $23. So let's say we give $25. So upon doing this, the previous bidder that is on the right hand side will get a notification saying that they are losing this bid. Somebody bid higher than them, and the current bidder will get a message saying that they are the highest bidder on that auction item. Lastly, the app also shows the items which the logged in user has previously won uh, in auctions, and it will show which items are they, what did the bid cost the user, and the completion date of that auction. That's about for the demo of our application. Thank you very much.